So will I show you the first guitar?
Okay.
The first guitar is called a classical guitar, or a Spanish guitar it's also called. So it looks like this.
Is it rolling? Is this thing rolling? Oh, that's the sound of guitar.
Have you seen one like this before?
Yeah.
Now, the unusual thing about this type of guitar is that makes it different from normal guitars you might see, like the guitar over in the corner there. This is called a nylon string guitar. So you'll notice that these 3 strings, see these 3 strings here? 1, 2, 3, they're a different colour than these 3 strings. Can you see that? No one see that at the back? Yeah. So these 3 strings are different from these 3. And that's because these 3 are made of steel, these bottom ones. They're steel. And then the top ones are made of nylon, it's like a plastic type material. So they sound like this. Very different sound, isn't there? So here's the metal ones. Here's the nylon ones. And in the classical guitar, you might have seen people play guitar before with these type of things. Anyone know what that's called? What's it called? It's called a plec, or a pick, or a plectrum. The full name's a plectrum. In America they call them picks. And a lot of the time you'd see people playing with plectrums like that, where they're strumming the guitar like this. See them strumming across all the strings. But with the classical guitar, you see my nails on this, on my right hand are long. Can you see that?
Yeah. No.
I've got a long thumbnail as well. And that's because it's like having 1, 2, 3, 4 plectrums, and I can pluck the strings. So that means I can have my 4 different fingers doing different things with the guitar. So that's what classical guitar is, using all your fingers to play the strings. Will I play you a couple of songs and show you what the classical guitar sounds like? We'll do a little game as well. So I'm going to play 3 songs and I want you to guess what country they're from. So you can listen first and I'll get hands up at the end and we'll see what suggestions of countries. So I'll play a little bit of each one. So here we go, and you can see how I use my fingers to play these. Here's the first one. Some guesses. What do you think? Greece. Not far off, yeah.
Fluent Spanish, like you said, America, and Spain and Mexico.
Yeah, you said one of them in the middle, Spain. Who was thinking Spain? Hands up. You're all going to say Spain, of course, yeah.
I was thinking Morocco. Sahara.
The Sahara. Oh, so that's Spain. Well, there's another type of guitar that they use, play the Spanish guitar, called flamenco guitar. That's very Spanish, which is flamenco. It's called. So they'll have guitars and they'll have dancing and they'll have people clapping along as well, called palmas, and that's more like this. You recognize that type of thing? That's very Spanish. Let's see if you can guess where this one's from. Okay, some guesses at the back. What do you think?
South America somewhere. Maybe.
It is South America, yeah. Very good, sport. Very good. One.
Brazil.
Brazil, got it in one. Yeah, very good. Where are you? Very good. Yeah, that's a very.
Why do I keep thinking of I'm thinking of France.
That's a very Brazilian rhythm there at the start. So that's a Brazilian one. I'll play you one more. See where you think this is from. You think it's going to be? It's not going to be French. Somewhere else. So there's a clue already. Mexican. Good guess. Not Mexico.
Spanish.
No.
Italian or Portuguese?
It's Italian. Very good. Yeah. Were you gonna say? Who was gonna say Who was gonna say Italy? Yeah. It's very good. So you got the Spanish one, the Brazilian one, and the Italian one. Very good. So that's how we play the Spanish guitar. Would we show you the next guitar? The next guitar is one you'd see a lot more often. This is called a steel string guitar. So it's very like the one you see over here.
My dad was.
Now it's slightly different, so I'll show you this. The Spanish one, this is actually the one I was just playing here, this is a very special guitar because it's made out of very special type of wood. So it's actually made of wood from Brazil. So see this nice dark wood on the back? It's not spruce actually, the other guitar is spruce. But this one's, no, it's rosewood. Rosewood, Brazilian rosewood.
I knew that one of those two guitars was spruce, but I couldn't think of which.
That's very good actually. The next guitar is made of spruce, yeah? And a lot of the time the front of guitars will be made of spruce, but on this one it's made of cedar. And that's from Honduras, yeah. So it's made of very special types of woods and that makes it sound really nice.